Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some problems with Omegle. Finally, we get to talk about this. Omegle is blowing up. TikTok, everyone's using it to do funny stuff, talk to people, whatever. Now, there are some issues specifically with connecting to a server, and sometimes when you go ahead and try to connect to Omegle, you may be getting the specific error that says, can't connect to the server. Now, this is realistically, it's really only one issue, and it's typically a network issue for your device. So what this means is if you're using a computer, an iPhone, Android, tablet, whatever the case is, the issue that you're having tends to be more so than not a network issue. So what you need to do is you need to double check your internet and make sure you're connected to a fast internet and a reliable network. If you're connected to a very spotty network, sometimes you may even be on a network that has Omegle banned. That's been, happening before if you're like at a school, university, something like that. As long as the website isn't blocked or anything, it typically means that your network isn't being, transferred properly. So go check your network settings. Try to load up some other websites. Try to load up YouTube. You're on YouTube right now, so you're watching the video, obviously. Try testing your network speeds. Go to, a Wi-Fi speed website and see how fast your network connection is. As long as you have a pretty strong network, then you should be able to get through this. And most of the time, just switching off your Wi-Fi, turning it back on, or connecting to a different Wi-Fi network will probably end up fixing this issue. So that's really the main and only way. The other thing that I would recommend to people is to probably try a different internet browser. So if you're trying, Google Chrome, for example, try switching over to Safari or Firefox or whatever other web browser you have, or even try connecting through an incognito browser. So open up your incognito, your private mode browser, and try going on omegle.com that way. Typically at this point, this should end up fixing the issue, or you would have found out that maybe your internet provider isn't working well. Maybe your, specific location has Omegle banned or blocked. So those are typically the red signs. There can also be a situation where for some reason Omegle, the website, may be updating, so their backend may not be as reliable. So you may just have to try on a different device. So that's really pretty much it. That's how you fix these specific issues. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything also of every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.